Hey YouTube, it's Adam with Gunfighters Inc. How you guys doing out there? Hope you're doing well. I'm doing good as always. Today we are doing a subscriber project. We are building a 4-place, 4-pouch Evolution chest rig for a guy named Britt, who got a hold of me over my YouTube channel and asked me if I'd build him a rig, so I said sure. He tells me that he is either, I'm not sure if he's either a student of or an instructor at Falcon Operations Group in California. Hadn't heard much about these guys. Did a little looking on the internet, and from what I could tell, from what I read, and from the videos I watched, these guys are first-rate Tier 1 type personalities. So I was really impressed with their material as well as their methodology for training. Their AARs were consistently good. No matter how hard I looked, all their AARs were nothing but positive comments. Their videos were excellent, well-presented information. An example of that would be on their contact rear drill. They're not only teaching the student to turn around and fire his weapon, but also to do that while moving and getting off the line of attack immediately. So the first thing you should do in any close-range gunfight is you want to get off of, not stand where your threat is used to having you stand. You need to immediately move, and they teach that, and I was really impressed with that, as well as some other drills that they were doing I won't really go into, but they had a lot of really good drills and a lot of good things to teach the student. Steel, and as well as P magazines, so I'm sure they use both. You didn't specify, but it's just going to be that way. That's how it works. Using malice clips, and a change that I am going to make is I'm not going to be using black anymore as a back shell. It is more cost effective that way, but I don't really care about cost effective. I'm not really in this for the money. I'm in it to build the best possible gear imaginable, so that's what I'm in this for. So I'm going to switch to OD green, or anytime you order any piece of gear from me, whether it be a holster or whatever, magazine pouch, I don't baton carrier, I don't care. It's gonna, whatever color you choose for the front, I'm gonna try and find a color that will complement the back. A good example of this would be, he chose Coyote Brown. Normally I'd use black. I don't want to do that anymore. I'm going to use the green because black does not exist in nature. Another example of that is right here. I have another order directly after this one for Desert Digital. So I'm going to do the front in Desert Digital and then the back in Coyote Tan. Complement that, because that's a little bit more, like camouflage. I don't want Desert Digital and black. It just wouldn't look good. So from here on out, that's what I'm going to go with. I'm going to try and complement the back color in something better than black, because again, black does not exist in nature, and you do. My beer of the day, Twilight Summer Ale by Deschutes Brewery, Oregon. Delicious. But their best inversion IPA. A little thick for how hot it is, so I'm not drinking that right now. Man, is it good. Give me, give me, give me. Sit. Speak.